paper boxes, those open.
Cool,
Do
cool.
you have a vacuum?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
A little bit there.
Yep.
And in that room on the
Yep.
left. Going
Okay.
down the hallway. First one on the left.
All right.
A little bit of stuff on the floor.
Perfect. All right, so we got.
Just open.
Yep. So we got this. Going to be using some extremely hot water and the bacterial cleaners.
Right.
All righty.
These chairs are all plastic bottoms.
Okay.
Which is good. So.
Okay.
You know, they're on rollers or they're on plastic.
Yeah, man. That's what she was talking about because when I came last week to look at it, it was no furniture here, so they wanted to put the furniture in.
Yeah, we're trying to get everybody's kicking everybody out and moving out of offices.
Yep. Perfect. All right. Well, I'm going to get started. All right. Good morning, Facebook, YouTube. What's up, guys? Courtney Truman Steamers. The first job of April the 1st. This is a client of mine's. I've cleaned their residential home, and they are moving into this office. Came and looked at it last week and scheduled it for today. And one thing about this job, they wanted a special request. This is what we call GDC, glue down carpet. And you can clean this carpet multiple ways. The most common way to clean it is bonnet cleaning, encapsulation cleaning, which is just a form of dry cleaning. But they simply requested hot water extraction with my truck mount and bacterial cleaners because they are moving in. And right now, a lot of people just want to be on the safe side. So this is what I'm doing. I'm probably going to be here about 3 hours. Now, Kevin is also going to do a commercial job as well for a funeral home, who is also one of our clients. So he's going to be doing another job. We was going to do this together, but when that guy called us 3 days ago for the funeral home, I just put Kevin on that job. So anyway, guys, I'll show you what I'm doing. This whole open place right here. All right, see you later. And these are the products. It's a beautiful day, by the way, April the 1st. All right, so I'm going to be cleaning with this product right here. Okay, this is going to be the cleaner that I'm using, and I'm going to be sanitizing with this product. All right, and they requested those products. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll come back and show you guys some cleaning. And after this, I have to go do another repeat client, Mrs. Harriet in Liburn. And that would be it for today. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, you see that? See that really hot water, the steam coming out? This is what they wanted. Best way to clean is hot water extraction with a truck mount. That's the best way. That is not my opinion. That is that is what the carpet manufacturers say. The people who actually make the carpet. This is their most highly recommended way of cleaning carpets. And a lot of times, if you clean carpets any kind of other way, it can void the warranty. You can go to Shaw, Mohawk, Bellou, any of these companies that make the carpet. Go to their website, and they all recommend hot water extraction, which is what I'm doing now. And they prefer to be used with the truck mount, which is what I'm using too, because the suction, which is the airflow, the vacuum, and also the water gets really, really hot. And I don't even turn my heater all the way up. That's how hot this water gets. All right, guys, you see that? See that really hot water, the steam coming out? This is what they wanted. Best way to clean is hot water extraction with a truck mount. That's the best way. That is not my opinion. That is that is what the carpet manufacturers say. The people who actually make the carpet. This is their most highly recommended way of cleaning carpets. And a lot of times, if you clean carpets any kind of other way, it can void the warranty. You can go to Shaw, Mohawk, Bellou, any of these companies that make the carpet. Go to their website, and they all recommend hot water extraction, which is what I'm doing now. And they prefer to be used with the truck mount, which is what I'm using too, because the suction, which is the airflow, the vacuum, and also the water gets really, really hot. And I don't even turn my heater all the way up. That's how hot this water gets. Okay, guys, that carpet did not look like it was dirty, but again, you never know until you start cleaning. So just to show you guys how dirty this water is. OMG. Look at that. Wow. That's some pretty dirty carpet. So again, steam cleaning, hot water extraction, or I will say hot water extraction, aka steam cleaning, is by far the best way of cleaning, because it extracts all of those particles and dust and dirt out of the fibers. And as you can see, all right, guys, I'm going to finish wrapping up. My client is on the way to get me paid, and that would do it. See you in the next one. All right, guys, I am all done. It took me about 3 hours to complete this job. As you can see right here, this is just some worn areas. Whatever they had sitting here, just worn the carpet out. See right there. But I will say again, the carpets are still wet. Okay, anytime anything is wet, if you pour water on your shirt, your clothes, it's going to darken up. So always remember, hey man, how you doing?
How you doing?
No handshakes, just elbows. Thank you. I was just doing my video. So I was just telling them, you know, the carpets are technically still wet, but it's okay to walk on. But once it dries, I was pointing out those areas right there, whatever they had sitting there, they will get lighter once the carpet dries. Okay. And that smell that you smell, that's the sanitizer that they wanted. Okay. All right. So everything is all complete. Now what I'm going to do, if you don't mind, I noticed they have 2 AC units. Probably bump these, turn the air on because the air is going to help it dry faster, not the heat. So we can turn the air on, bump it down to about 69. I think that would be good. Okay. And thank you guys again. All right, I'm gonna go check on my other guy. He's actually doing a funeral home right now. Yeah. I cleaned you guys' personal house, right?
Yeah.
The person. Yeah, I remember.
We'll turn this on cool.
Yep, turn on cool. Yep, about 68, 69 would be perfect. And then they also got one down at this end as well.
It's already 68 degrees in there.
Okay, but just make sure the air is on, not the heat.
Yeah.
Or the fan. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. Courtney Truman Steamers. See you in the next one. All right, Facebook, YouTube. Kevin just got through doing this funeral home. I was trying to get over here to get some footage, but he was done before before I got over here. So that's what we did today. So he did this funeral home. You guys seen the first job I did, and then he was just telling me that our client said he has another one for us to do.
Yeah, right in Duluth.
Right in Duluth. Okay, great. So again, guys, doing good work, keeping our clients happy in our community. That's how we're building our reputation.
He actually shared with me he used to use Centos, he's used Stanley Steamer. So he's probably one of the ones, if you're loyal to him, he's loyal to you.
Exactly. Perfect. All right, bro. All right, Kevin. Well, another day is done, dog. I got to go to the TCS in the morning and get something on my truck mount fixed, and then I'll meet you at that little thing leaking. I tried to tighten it, but I don't want to break it.
Yeah.
So I don't want to.
They're not open now?
No, they close early now.
What
Yeah,
time they close?
3.
Oh, okay.
Until about 2 weeks, they'll go back to 5 o'clock. So what I'll do is I just meet you at the Alpharetta job in the morning, the hardwood job, and we'll take it from there.
It's about 10 o'clock?
Yeah, between 10 and 11.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll probably get out there about 10:30, no later than 11.
Yeah, I know.
All right. Yes, sir. All right, Kev. All right, guys, that's it. Truman Steam Team. Another day's done. Good day to start the first day of April. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.